Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today I am making Banku with Tilapia for Radio B.A.R presenters. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy meal. By for new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. So guys, these are all the ingredients we'll be using for the cooking. The full video of this recipe is on the channel, so just check it out. Start by seasoning our fish. It's always important, guys, to start with your salt because this fish are coming from the lagoon or the fish pond, so they really don't have any salt on them. So you really have to give a lot of salt. Add some oil to the seasoning. So guys, this is our soya powder. It will go really well on your tilapia. I have a full video on the channel also. Normal tilapia and tilapia with soya powder. So you can check all these videos out. So guys, making banku on the gas it really needs a lot of time, because normally I will make my banku on a cup pot or a normal, then you put this metal rock around it and then you just step on it and you prepare it. But this method, and it's quite a lot, but what can I do? I don't have a cup pot here, so I still have to prepare my banku on a gas stove. But on normal circumstances, madam, banku dear, we just show a very fast and easy. See that Jimmy shed that PBC nature. Yeah, me so on cook as soon easy. It may try. I'm really trying because cook as soon and now grow. And you need a lot of strength. Let me try. Always water from the kettle. It's very important. You cannot add any cold water when your banku is on this stage. Warm water is the best option. What's my idea? Cook a soup and cook it. Easy. You say me but at least my idea. Come on, good. I really love molding my banku in plantain leaves like this. It brings a lot of flavor to your banku, and it's also good to protect it. I really love it. This way, when I'm in Ghana, I always make my banku like this. Oh, now they're showing ribbon camera. When it goes in directly to the plastic, it's not good. So when it goes in this, and then you just wrap it. So this is my green pepper sauce. It goes really well with your tilapia. This this is our green pepper dip, guys. It goes really, really well with your tilapia. So set it aside and make the red. Pepper dip is also ready, guys. I'll set it aside and then prep my tomatoes and onions. Our oven grilled tilapia is ready. Food is ready and we are going to dig in and serve. It looks so yummy, guys. This is our banku wrapped in our plantain leaf, guys. It looks so nice. And the flavor you get when you wrap your banku in plantain leaves will amaze you, guys. Our red pepper dip, our green pepper dip, bell pepper, red bell pepper, onions, and some fresh tomatoes, some lime to go with, and our homemade shito. This shito is mainly for kenke, banku, and shiwache. So you can check the video out on the channel. So we are going to serve. Serve it. I'll go ahead and make some garnish with it. Then we will cover it up. So I am taking this to the radio station, B.A.R, guys. This is a special lunch for the presenters at the radio B.A.R. Today we are going there. So you can also listen live. If you miss the live show, you can check the full video on my channel. This shito is a must to try, guys. It's so delicious with your banku and your kinky. It goes really well with it. Guys, thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious meal. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Adio, do kiss kiss.
Yeah, really enjoy it. And my banku.